Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download music from YouTube as MP3 file. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, on any device, whether it's an iPhone, Android phone, or a computer, open a web browser like Safari or Google Chrome. Instead of going to the regular YouTube website or using the YouTube app, go directly to youtube.studio.com. Now make sure you're signed in to your YouTube account. Keep in mind that anyone with a YouTube account automatically has access to YouTube Studio. When prompted, choose to continue using YouTube Studio on the web-based version, not the app. Once you're inside YouTube Studio on the browser, look for the Music section. Here, you'll be able to browse and listen to different tracks available in the audio library. When you find a song that you like, simply swipe to the right on that track and tap on Download, then confirm by tapping Download again. After the download is complete, the music file will be saved to your device. On an iPhone or Android, open the Files app and go to the Downloads folder. You'll find the MP3 file there, ready to use. And that's it. So that's basically how you can download music from YouTube as MP3 file. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.